The Creed. The Creed. I can't wait to join the Assassin's Creed.
Are you ready? Sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down, all you lost souls and all you sinners and...
It's Saturday. Oh my god.
No sitting in the house of God! Do you wish to be saved, my son?
Nah.
Oh. Okay.
The Creed.
Electrified door. Is there supposed to be something scary in it?
What's this game about, Michael?
Yeah, Michael. You seem to know a lot about it. What was that?
It's so loud, dude. I muted my mic because it was so loud. Michael, did you super jump scare me?
No.
So the game just did that when we were like saying, "Oh, I thought this game was supposed to be scary," and the big ass nun chases
Hold
us.
down R2. You can run.
Oh, thank you.
Oh.
Oh, Jaden, there's a medkit right here.
Did you see this cat? Oh my god. Did you see this cat sticking his tongue out?
Where?
No. I'm up. Right here.
Oh, shit!
Oh, it's loud, isn't it?
No, it's a person
Oh,
chasing
thank
me!
you. Yeah, I know.
Oh.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey. It's so loud when you get chased, too. I don't even know how it happens. I like how we look at each other. Oh my god. Oh, Ashley jumped so freaking hard, too.
Yeah, no, this is insane.
Dude. The way it passed. The way it passed, dude.
I hate this. I hate that sound. Watch out, Michael!
The code is 0327. Yeah, Michael, what's up?
Sorry, I can barely hear you over one of my ears being
The moaning, dude.
messed up.
Oh my god, I jumped. I actually jumped like I got 10 feet of air in my bed. I jumped so high. What is that sound?
Found it.
That shit
Oh, I
ass sound.
Oh, power!
Oh, nice.
Oh, no, I shut down the power. Oh, well. I didn't even know that this place had power.
Are these the killer nuns, or are these like, the hell
I
of
guess
room
so.
am I in? No, it's like, I don't understand it. I don't think those were supposed to be in the.
Oh. Oh, I have to hold down the button?
Oh, thank God that's you, Michael. Oh my God, I thought the nun was here. You didn't
Okay,
bring.
I'm gonna need somebody's help with this.
I
Hey,
don't know where
Michael,
you're
hold
at.
still. Michael, hold still. Hold still. I ran right past Michael like it was a Scooby-Doo episode, dude.
I saw Michael run past. Oh, it's coming from me! No, I died. Hey, everyone.
Dude, this is so scary to me. I didn't expect it to be like. Oh God, I didn't expect it to be like that.
It's only scary because Freaking.
Did it go silent? This is so stupid. I hate this. The Nano's just camping the stairs, dude. I hate that it does start you all the way in the beginning. And you just gotta go all the way back up. Even though that nun is...
He goes too.
Oh, I found the for the green key. Oh my god, you scared me.
Oh. Scared, freaking.
Did it scare you?
Yeah,
Good. Because I spent Robux for that.
yeah, I saw.
Michael, did it scare you?
Yeah, because I
Yes.
just opened the door.
Yes. Oh, that's sick. Hayden. Hayden, why'd you bring it here?
I'm gonna have to go downstairs.
You don't have to leave me. Where you going?
Hey, Michael.
I don't think you want to go with Michael.
Jaden.
What? I thought you were doing it. don't know.
Stop touching that.
Okay,
Oh, no.
sorry.
I know you're touching it still.
Okay, I'm not. Look at me. I'm not gonna do it.
Oh no.
Michael, I just want to say I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
Hey,
That was so
you wanna let me
scary.
in?
What is that, Michael? No, don't prop it
Okay,
open.
Close it,
Don't prop that
close
shit
it.
open. Oh. Okay, I'll take a breath.
Yeah.
Michael, what are you holding in your hand? What's that? Oh, that wooden bar. Does it prop the door open?
Look,
No.
What is that? Where'd you get that?
look at this.
I see it. That's what I'm asking about.
It's a plank.
For what?
Everybody gets it. We need to.
I don't
we need
have
to use
it.
it to cross out. We need it to cross.
I don't have a plank. Is that a bad thing that I don't have the plank?
I don't know. Is it?
Sorry. Sorry. Hayden brought the freaking. He brought the nun to me, dude.
Sorry.
It's okay. I had to take one ear off so I can like hear my volume because I feel like I'm just screaming.
I found the green key.
Nice.
No! No! Oh, I have to spend Robux to revive now?
Not
Oh.
that
Yeah. Michael just doesn't want to play, but he's just scared. But do you actually have to spend Robux?
Yes.
Yeah.
I didn't have to the first time. The green key goes to the other side.
I don't care.
You remember where you were?
Let's not do it, because you died. We're not gonna